Hello everyone, in this video I will explain the installation and update steps of our program. First, we open our official website. Here, we click on the download section. In the download section, we select the program we want to download and click the download button. I downloaded our concrete software. Instead of spending time downloading, I opened the file I had previously downloaded. I run the setup file as an administrator. We click on Run Anyway, and yes, our installation wizard has appeared. We just click Next, simply. Select the folder where the program will be installed, simply. Click Next and then click the Install button. The speed of these processes may vary depending on the speed of your computer. To avoid wasting time, I will pause the video from time to time. We click Next and accept the agreement by clicking I accept the agreement, then we click Next again. Yes, the installation of our program is complete. Now we run our program as an administrator. To ensure everything is set up correctly, we need to follow these steps carefully. After clicking Next, make sure to read the agreement thoroughly before accepting it. Once the installation is complete, running the program as an administrator will give it the necessary permissions to function properly. Our program has opened. We go to the Settings Technical Support section. We set up the library. Our library setup is complete. Now, we just insert our USB lock and close the program. We have inserted our USB lock and it is glowing red. Yes, it has read our license. And we click Allow Access. Then, we start our updates. We click on the Sta4Cad Update button here. We are updating automatically. The program will perform the automatic updates for us. Yes. Our automatic update is complete. Now we will load our font files onto our computer. I will add these font files to the description section of the video, so you can easily find and download them. For this, we need to go into our settings menu. We open the control panel, which is a system utility that allows us to change various settings on our computer. We then select the option to view large icons, which makes it easier to find specific settings. Next, we run the fonts utility as an administrator, which gives us the necessary permissions to install new fonts. We select the option to install for all users to ensure that the fonts are available to everyone who uses the computer. This is important for consistency across different user accounts. Yes, our fonts are now successfully installed and ready to use in any application that supports custom fonts. We log into our program again. Yes, now we are updating the .NET framework. When we click, the update will be downloaded automatically to our system in the background without any user intervention. Yes, we are starting the installation and proceed with the next steps. Thus, our installation is complete. The last thing we need to do is add the exclusions. We click on Settings. We go to the Exclusions section. We add our exclusions as a folder and select the folder we have created. The last step is also completed. Now let's check our installation steps from the program. First, we open our program. We click on the Settings menu, and then we click on the Checkup button. And no issues were found. Our installation process is complete. I wish everyone a good day.